Is it possible to make 10,000 using candlestick pattern and gaps? In this video, I'm going to show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are experienced trader or beginner trader. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're interested, you can create a pocket option account using the link in the description and practice this strategy. Okay, as you see right here, you notice there was a gap up, breakaway gap, and this was a engulfing candle, and I took this trade for 2 candles. I could have taken this for 1 candle and flag mode and I would win the trade, but I'm doing 2 candle trading interval today. Okay, but I'm using 1 minute interval and I'm trading on 30 seconds time frame. I didn't get the time to set the the candles and stuff, but yeah, I'm doing it now to show you guys 1 minute. Anyway, you see this was a gap down, inside gap, and it filled. All right, another inside gap, it will fill eventually. Oh, my entry is not really good, but the greatest thing about my entry is that it's on the candle right here. It's a little bit above the filling area, because remember, I always tell you guys that inside gaps love to be filled. All right, we know that inside gaps love to be filled, and we are working off that. There is a momentum coming down. The momentum is not really strong though, but I'm with the trend, which is the greatest thing. As I always say to you, the trend is your friend until it ends. Okay, so therefore you go with the trend at all times, no matter what. Okay, you see this, we have another inside gap. This will be filled, so this trade will be a sure shot, guys. This trade is amazing, I'm not gonna lie. Let me see something. Okay, yeah, sure shot trade. This beautiful. Okay guys, let me show you something right here. See this is one of the strong engulf right here also, and I saw that it had a breakaway gap on top of it, and you see it's in the shape of a hammer candle also. You see how much reasons this trade have, guys. And then let me see some. We're with the major trend, also the small trend too, so there's a high chance I will win this trade. The price will shoot past and come all the way above my entry area right there. I'm pretty confident based on everything that as I'm seeing right now. And let's see if there's anything more. Yeah, there's no level really above here to stop the price, but there's a lot of reason for me to win this trade, guys. There's just so much things, and this is the reason why I emphasize so much about candlestick psychology, because without it you cannot be profitable, and I teach all of this in my mentorship. Okay, beautiful. See, this continuation sign candle is so phenomenal, and the reason why I said that is the way all the wick is looking. It's looking very, very good. And you notice there isn't any level on the left. This is something I want to talk to you guys about. Whenever you're trading with gaps and candlestick patterns and you're going with the patterns direction, you have to check your left side of the chart always, like to see if there's any levels there or anything to block you or stop you. It's when you see it so clear, it's a high chance the price will go in your direction. Just watch what will happen here. So we have another continuation sign here, but we didn't have any gap to signify strength, but it's okay. We had a gap down right here, but the money is in the way, so you can't see it, and that's the reason why I'm so confident this trade will be a winning trade. And yeah, see, there's no level to stop the price, so it comes back up. You see that? Beautiful, magnificent. I'm taking this. Let me see on the left, nothing is there to stop me. We already consumed everything on that left side right there, and this trade will be a sure shot. The only thing is this, I don't have many stuff. I only have like the hammer candle right here, Then I have the continuation sign right here. I don't know, but this trade might be, I think this trade might be a losing trade because there isn't much to combine with it. Plus the momentum is well overdue. So yeah, but let's see what's gonna happen though. Because I see continuation sign, which is very, hey, I love continuation signs. That's one of my go to whenever I'm entering trades with the patterns. Okay, we have another continuation sign. This one is much weaker than the previous one, so I'm not sure this trade will be a winning trade, guys, but it's okay. Sometimes you lose trade even when you're doing the right stuff. But this trade overall was a C class trade, to be honest. It wasn't good. It wasn't good. Let's find a next opportunity. As I was scrolling, I see this opportunity right here, guys. You see that? This was a red green pattern right here. So this was not a very wise idea, to be honest, because we know that with red green pattern, after a red green candle there should be a red one, right? But I saw this inside gap and it's so strong. That's the reason why I took it anyway. And we are with the trend, so I know for sure one of the candles will surpass my entry point, and that's all you have to trade. You have to use like the knowledge you learn plus common sense plus a money management, because you might not notice, but I'm using a money management. I just don't really, it's very advanced, that's the thing, so it's very difficult to use. But in the mentorship I have different type of money management for all students of all advanced level. If you're a beginner, there's beginner money management for everyone in there too. Okay, if you're ready to be profitable and you're tired of losing trade, you guys could sign up for the mentorship. In the mentorship I will teach you candlestick pattern psychology, chart pattern, indicators, money management, everything you need to become a successful, profitable trader in binary options. You need knowledge in order to trade properly in binary options, because your entry point have to be accurate. So if you don't know what you're doing, you cannot have a accurate entry every time. This will be the end of my video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a successful trading week. Peace out.